Hey guys, it's Tammy and it's Couponing 101 at Walgreens Beginner's Guide. If you have not seen video number 1 yet, I highly and strongly suggest you do. I talk about coupons, I talk about paper coupons, I talk about digitals, and I talk about store coupons. I can't say it enough. Please read the verbiage on the coupon. Do not commit that coupon fraud. So anyways, today we're going to talk about points. We're going to talk about register rewards. We're going to talk about Beauty Club. We are going to talk about buy deals and spend deals. How to use these points. How to use your register rewards. Very simple, very easy. To my more advanced people, yes, we know more, but for the beginner just starting out, this is a great tool. So first thing you want to do is you want to get your store card. You register like any other store card. Then you want to go to walgreens.com, or you want to go to the Walgreens app on your phone and download it. You want to register that card. Then you want to go to the Beauty Club. You want to join the Beauty Club. For every $50 you spend in beauty, you will get 5,000 points, or you will get $5. That's what the points equal. For every 1,000 points equals $1. So getting $5 back when you spend $50 at Walgreens on beauty is awesome. Now, what is included? Makeup, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, makeup tools. There is a whole list that you can find out on walgreens.com on what is included. Now, let's get to register rewards. Sometimes when you look in the ad, there will be a register reward attached to it, like this Colgate deal right here. You buy one at $4.99, use the dollar off coupon, makes it $3.99. When you buy one, you will get a $3 register reward, and it looks like this. It comes out next to the register when you're done paying. It is called a Catalina. If a Catalina does not print for you, you have to call the Catalina company, and you can ask the manager on how to get a hold of them, or you can call customer service at they have the phone number there. Sometimes if you get a nice manager, they will issue points instead of a register reward from the Catalina company. But yeah, so this is what a register reward looks like. Now, you can spend it on anything in the store. I believe liquor, tobacco products, or anything affiliated with tobacco, lottery tickets, dairy. It gives a whole list of what you can't spend it on. But otherwise, you could spend it on anything in the store. So these are kind of nice if you, say, run out of money, your car breaks down, or bill comes, whatever happens. You can use this register reward to pay for, say, toilet paper or laundry soap or dish soap or whatever you need it for. All of these register rewards do come with an expiration date. And when I first started couponing, I did not know this. And I was throwing a lot of these away, and I was just wasting my money. Now, another thing with register rewards, say you do the Colgate deal, right? And you get your $3 register reward. You cannot go and get another Colgate and use the $3 register reward to help bring your out of pocket down and get another $3 register reward. That is called rolling in the coupon world. You will not get another $3 register reward in your second transaction for the same thing. All right, you guys? It's in the Walgreens rules of couponing. But you can use it, say, this week there is a Crest deal going on. You can use this $3 register reward on the Crest deal and get a $4 register reward. You just can't use the register reward on the same thing to get another $3 register reward. No rolling on the same items. All right, you guys, if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comments below. All right, you guys, I will answer them as best as I possibly can. So that is register rewards. Now let's get to points. There are some deals at Walgreens where if you buy two, you will get a certain amount of points. Like this Dove deal right now that's going on. Dove right now is buy one, get one half off. When you buy four, you will get $5 in points or 5,000 points. For every $1 or every 1,000 points equals $1. And you can redeem those points in $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $20, and $50 increments. Okay. I've never gotten up to $50, but I have gotten up to 20. I usually try to keep about 20,000 points on my card. I try just to lower my out-of-pocket expense, just in case, like I said, if something comes up. Now, notice how I said buy. Like on this deal, it says buy four, you get 5,000 points or $5. Sometimes they have a spend deal. They have, if you spend $20, you will get 5,000 points. You cannot pay with points on a spend deal. You can pay with points on a buy deal to bring down your out-of-pocket expense. But on a spend deal, you cannot use points. Now, when you have a spend deal, it will take off your Walgreens coupons first, your store coupons first, and your total has to be $20. Then you can use your manufacturer coupons or your digital coupons or your printable coupons, whatever coupons you have. Then you have to pay the difference in cash. You also can use your register rewards on a spend deal, but you have to make sure that your register reward attaches to something that doesn't have a coupon attached to it. And I'll explain that in this easy peasy deal that I did for you guys if you're just starting out. Okay, so we covered the beauty club. We covered points, how to redeem them to lower your out-of-pocket expense. And it's really easy too because the cashiers are supposed to ask you, do you want to redeem any points? Just remember, on a buy deal, you can use points and get points. On a spend deal, you cannot use points. You have to pay cash. All right. All right. Like I said, any questions, any comments, put it in the comments below. So here we go with an easy peasy sweet deal for you guys. It will be 5 items and it is super easy. Okay. So first thing you want to do is pick up Colgate Optic White, or there is other Colgates on sale for $4.99. You just look at the yellow tag where it says when you buy one, you get $3 in register rewards. So this is $4.99. You either want to use the $1 off coupon from coupons.com or a $1.50 coupon from Colgate.com. It'll bring your total to $3.49, but you'll get back a $3 register reward, making this 49 cents plus tax. Okay, you guys, 49 cents plus tax. And I usually say 50 cents and under for toothpaste is a really good deal. So now you are sitting with this $3 register reward. Now, you want to buy 2 whole blends. Right now, whole blends are on sale, 2 for $7. Then you either want to buy the Scott's paper towel or you want to buy the toilet paper. It is on sale for $5. Okay, so that brings your total to $12. Okay, there is a $1 off one coupon in the WAGS book. It'll take $2 off of the whole blends. Then you want to match this store coupon with a manufacturer coupon that just came out in this past weekend's paper, $4 off of two. Otherwise, there is a digital coupon that you can clip to your card for $4 off of two. It will take $6 off, making these 50 cents a piece, you guys. Okay, but wait, we're not done. We still have that toilet paper in transaction number 2. Now, for the toilet paper, on page 7, if I can find it, here we go. There is a $1.25 off of paper towel or toilet paper. Now, if you go to Scott Brand, SCOTTBRAND.com, you can print off 50-cent off coupon for the toilet paper or a 75-cent coupon for the paper towel. So if the paper towel is $5 minus $1.25 for the store coupon, match it with that printable coupon for the paper towel, 75 cents, it'll make that paper towel $3. So now your total is $4, okay? But wait, you have to buy something small. Remember how I said that a register reward has to attach to something that doesn't have a coupon. Now, at my store, up at the register, they have these 39-cent caramels. That's what I usually buy. So I will add that and it'll bring my total to $4.39. So you want to buy 2 whole blends. You want to buy the Scott paper towel or toilet paper and a small item. It could be a 69-cent candy bar. It could be something on clearance for 29 cents. The register reward has to attach to something that does not have a coupon attached to it. And considering we have coupons attached to this and we have coupons attached to the paper towel, that's where the little caramel comes involved. So your total will come to $4.39. You want to give the cashier the $3 register reward. You will end up paying $1.39 plus tax. And usually I say, if it's under $2 or $3, I'll pay cash for it. I won't use points. So in total, out of pocket cash, you are physically getting the cashier between 2 transactions is $4.88 plus tax, making the toothpaste in transaction 1, the 2 whole blends, the paper towel or toilet paper, and the little caramel, $1.22 a piece, you guys. And I think $1.22 a piece for all these items for a beginner is great. Guys, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please put it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer those. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that little bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. I will bring you my bigger haul on Walgreens later on this week and at CVS. I just haven't had time to shop. But yeah, great beginners, little guide to couponing at Walgreens 101. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just have a super fun time couponing, you guys. Don't make it harder than what you actually think it is. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye.